Hello, you guys, and welcome back to Brittany Allen Crafts. I am so glad you came back. If you're new, hi, my name is Brittany. Welcome to my channel. If you enjoy this video, I have plenty of other content, so go ahead and check out one of those after you finish watching this one. And with that, let's go ahead and get started with our first Christmas craft. As you can see, I'm drawing a large triangle on a piece of cardboard. Now, you could do that, but your tree more than likely will come out crooked, which is why off camera I measured it out properly. You're going to want to cut out 3 pieces per size of tree you want. So you'll do 3 large, 3 medium, and 3 small. And then use some hot glue to stack the 3 pieces together, giving us a thick tree. You know, everybody loves a thick tree. Once you're done with all 3 trees, you can paint them if they have writing on them. Now, yes, I could have flipped them around, but I wanted to use the sides that had the coated cardboard because it hid the lines cardboard has, which I wanted because obviously we don't want people knowing it's cardboard. Alright, now I'm using Cardinal Crimson, also by Apple Barrel, to paint my small tree. Don't forget the edges. Alright, really quickly guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, turn on that bell, share it with your friends, family, or on all your social medias, and then comment shared so I can shout you out in my next video. Oh, and join our Facebook group so you can share your DIYs with our little craft community. Alright, back to the DIY. Now just cover your tree in a thick coat of Mod Podge or glue water mixture. This is the tissue paper I picked out. I thought it was perfect for this craft, so just lay that tissue paper down. I did use a white piece of tissue paper under the decorative piece. I felt like it made the colors pop. On the edges of the tree, do an extra thick coat since there are holes. Check out this cool flower. Can you guess what it's made out of? Yeah, wood. It's freaking wood. When I came across this awesome small online business, I was immediately curious because I wanted to use something different for Jason and I. But I just knew I had to reach out for a possible collab to share with you guys too. Well, I was going to share with you guys regardless, but yeah. So yeah, I will link their website in the description and stick around to the end for the full haul. So you're going to need a couple jumbo popsicle sticks. I got mine from Walmart. I will link them for you guys if I can. But you're just going to chop off the rounded ends, and then you may also need to cut some of the length off as well. But you're just going to use some hot glue on one end of the stick and hold it up to the tree to figure out where you need it to attach to in order to make a stand out of the popsicle stick. And then off camera, I added some jute and attached it to the tree and then to the popsicle stick stand as well. This will keep the stand from bending out too far. But yeah, that's all you have to do for DIY number 2. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments, and don't worry about hurting my feelings. I don't care. Just be honest. Now here's our second DIY. I'm so happy with how this came out. So apparently I lost the footage of the first thing I put in there. They look just the things I just showed you, just a bigger, fluffier version. They all came off a wreath I took apart that my mother-in-law gave me a while back. I actually think they're preserved pine or something. Oh, and these beautiful rustic wood vases, they're also from Solar Wood Flowers. So I'm just going to add some red berries, 1 gold flower each, 1 pine cone each. And then some of these flocked ferns. I believe they're ferns. I'm not sure, but you can correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. So after I got done with the arrangement, which by the way, I left out when I added the wood flowers because my memory card was full, which is why you will only see me wrapping the ribbon around the vase and not adding the bow. But yeah, I got the ribbon from Walmart. But yeah, back to the wood flowers. All I did to add those was I had some stems left from when I'd taken apart a bouquet, and I just used those with a little dab of glue on the tip of one to stick into the flower, because the flowers actually have a little spot for you to add a stem, and actually the website has stems that you can buy to add to the flowers as well. Alright, for those of y'all bouncing out, before we take a look at what I got from Solowood Flowers, I will see you in the next one. Don't leave without subscribing and turning on that bell. Okay, if you stuck around, you're in for a very quick treat. So right here is a little card with the Sola Wood Flower logo, and on the back is just some instructions on adding the scent that I ordered to go on my flowers. Here's the scent I ordered, which is a Japanese cherry blossom. And next to that, I ordered some stem covers. So next to that is a 10-pack of 1.5-inch Hannah flowers. And next to that is a 10-pack of the 1-inch almond. And this is my favorite. It's the 1.5-inch Betty. And here's one more look at those small wood vases. Inside of one of them is the beautiful boxwood berry pick in the color rose gold. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching.